Hello and good evening guys. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are tackling a cool topic, setting up a virtual home for our website on a local domain, and we have picked the name australianpipe.local. For this adventure, stick around as we go through the steps together, making it super easy to create a smooth and efficient local host space for our site. Let's jump in. Okay. So basically we are going to set up a domain australianpipe.com. So for this we have to go to the Apache setting. I'm using the Ubuntu, so you have to go to the etc Apache 2 site available, and here you have to create a file. Name is the australianpipe.config. Let me show you what I have written into it. Vi australianpipe.config. Okay, so upon this file I have incorporated a virtual host with the port of the 80, and here is the server name australianpipe.local. Server aliasing, I have added the www here, and this is the important path, that is the doc root. Here my Magento is installed under the where www.html Australian pipe folder, and Magento run with the pub folder. So I have added the pub folder here, and after that we close the virtual host. So this is the simple setting, and after that you have to run a simple command there, that is the sudo a2n site a2n site and the Australian pipes.config. After that you have to add a password here, and it will enable your virtual host, and it display the message site Australian pipe already enabled. Okay, so after that one more thing you have to do, you have to go to the path etc, and here is a file, host file, host file. Let me open it and will show you what I have added there. I have added there entry at this IP. It is the local host IP 127.0.0.1, and here is the my domain name, local domain actually, australianpipe.local. This is the same name what I have set up on the config file. Okay, after that you have to just restart the server. So sudo services apache to restart. Now all is done. So next step is to add this domain australianpipe.local to our database. So in our previous website we have installed the Magento. Here is the backend of the Magento, and here is the path localhost australianpipe.pub. So I have updated the base URL here with the australianpipe.local what I have just created, and after that I just go to the directory where I have installed the Magento HTML Australian pipe, and here I have to run a command php bin magento cache flush. Sudo php bin magento cache flush. Okay, so for the so I have given the permission again to the where generated in the pub folder, and clear the cache. Now if I will open the Australian pipe dot local, Okay, so it open my Magento website. So let me check the admin as well. So it was my admin URL, so I have added it in the URL. Just click on it, and congratulations, so your virtual environment has been set up, and your local domain is also set up on your local host, australianpipe.com. so congratulations guys, you have set up a successfully virtual host. One more thing, sometime what happened that whenever you click on any URL of the Magento, so then it doesn't work. So basically you have to enable the rewrite engine. So for this there is a command. So if in case you don't know, so I can tell you. So you have to just run the command sudo a2 n a2 n mode and rewrite. So just enter it and restart the Apache server, and your rewrite engine is on. And there is one more thing, that is the etc apache 2, and here is a file apache2.config. just open it, apache2.config. just go down, and I have added here one line, allow override all here inside the www.html option index follow symlinks and allow override all and require all granted. So update two things, the apache.config file, and enable the rewrite engine on, and then it will perfectly fine, your URL will work correctly. So thank you very much, stay tuned for more valuable insight, and don't forget to like and subscribe for future technical tutorials. Let's continue empower our coding journey together. Thank you very much guys.